I met this girl standing on the block singing. She'll serve all the boys if I buy her a rock. Got that thing. She got jacked. Punched her face. And I took my money back.
I was walking down the street when I met Miss Lula singing. She had a mouthpiece and a nice soup cooler. She went down, started licking, sucked her finger. She said, "I'll make a out of Kentucky Fried Chicken."
I met this girl at 12:15 singing. When I took her home, the coochie smelled like singing. Summer's Eve, Massingale, wash yourself, girl, kill that funky smell.
I saw this girl walking down the block singing. Between her legs there was a big fat singing. Was it fat? Was it fluffy? Was it packed? My brother was fat as buffet. I met this girl and she tried to act singing. She was from the projects of Liberty City. Bangles, rag top, cross me, and bet your you'll get dropped.
I saw this fag tricking at the bus stop singing. I said, "You sissy motherfucker, you know you ought to stop singing." Spreading AIDS, punk, watching men. Man, you know a real man ain't about all that shit.